Welcome back to FitLife Fusion, your go-to place for natural health tips. Today, I'm sharing 10 anti-aging foods that can make your skin glow naturally. These superfoods are packed with nutrients that fight aging and help you maintain that youthful radiance. Let's get into it. First on the list is avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, especially omega-9 fatty acids, which help hydrate and repair your skin, keeping it soft and glowing. Another food packed with healthy fats is salmon. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon reduce inflammation, which can help prevent wrinkles and promote smooth, healthy skin. Next, let's talk about berries like blueberries and strawberries. These are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Another fantastic food is sweet potatoes. They're rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, promoting cell turnover and giving your skin a natural glow. For maintaining skin elasticity, you need foods rich in hyaluronic acid, like bone broth. Hyaluronic acid helps your skin retain moisture, which is essential for reducing fine lines. And for hydration from within, you can't go wrong with cucumbers. They're over 90% water and contain silica, which strengthens connective tissues, keeping your skin plump and hydrated. Another powerful anti-aging food is dark chocolate. It's rich in flavonoids, which help protect your skin from sun damage and improve blood flow for a natural glow. Don't forget green tea. It's loaded with polyphenol, which fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. Drinking a cup of green tea daily can help keep your skin youthful. Next, we have spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and E, all of which help detoxify your skin and protect it from oxidative stress. And last but not least, walnuts. They are rich in vitamin E and omega-3s, both of which nourish and protect your skin, giving you that healthy glow. So there you have it, 10 anti-aging foods to make your skin glow naturally. Incorporate these into your diet and watch how your skin transforms over time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more tips on living a healthy, vibrant life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.